On Facebook, if you want to change your cover photo, you can do that. And if you want to upload a cover photo from your gallery, you can do that too. In this video, we'll show you how to set a photo from your gallery as your cover photo on Facebook. For this, open the Facebook application. After that, at the top, you'll see 3 lines. Click on those 3 lines. When you tap on them, you'll see your profile name. Tap on it. Here, at the top, you'll see your cover photo. If one is already set, just tap on it. When you do, you'll see 3 options. If you already have a cover photo, you'll see an option called See Your Photo. If not, you'll only see 2 options, Upload Photo and Choose Cover Photo. We want to upload a photo from our gallery, so select Upload Photo. When you tap on that, you'll be taken to your gallery. From there, select the photo you want to set as your cover photo. For example, I'm selecting this photo. After that, you can adjust the photo, using one finger, move it wherever you want and place it as you like. For example, I'm placing it like this. If you want to update this on your news feed, you can tick this option. That means it'll appear as a post on your profile. But if you don't want that, you can untick it. Anyway, after that, what you need to do is click on the Save button. When you do that, your cover photo will be updated. Now, you can see the new cover photo has been added. So this is how you can easily set a photo from your gallery as your cover photo on Facebook. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.